I think that this is going to be a good hunt.
Welcome back to another video. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't. We're back, same gas station, next morning, new field, hopefully better than yesterday. Not that yesterday wasn't good, but we're looking to beat yesterday's hunt. Very possible, it sounds like on this. 600 birds were in the field last night.
That's an early season mega feed.
That's a lot of birds for right now. I mean, compared to the last couple weeks, it's a lot of birds. So the farmer tilled most of the field last night, but he ended up leaving us a section where the geese were feeding untilled. So we have yellow field to hunt where the geese were feeding. Hopefully they're gonna come back and target that area again. I think we're running layouts again today. They're pretty much already stubbled in from yesterday's hunt, so it's gonna be a little bit quicker, but it is 2:30 in the morning right now. It's pretty early, earlier than yesterday for sure. We're just getting gas right now. Gonna grab some food, drinks, whatever else we need, and we're gonna head up there. So we're gonna get on the road, and I'll get back to you guys and let you know more when we get to the field.
Well, we just got to the field. The other guys haven't got here yet, but as you can see, they tilled basically the head row and maybe, I don't know, a couple more rows out, maybe a lot more than a couple, but buddy guy tilled my posted sign. So I'm going to be calling the farmer. I'm going to call him, yell at him for doing that. It's about $300 right there.
So yeah, like Colin was saying, he tilled most of the field, but where the geese are feeding, which it's a big section out there that he left untilled for us, which was super nice. So hopefully that's gonna help us out. We're just waiting for the rest of the guys here. I think it's like 4:15, so we got a little bit of time here. We're gonna wait for them guys to figure out a plan where we wanna set up and then start setting the spread.
Well, the birds just flew, all 600 of them, so we're going back to Fargo.
Well, the Mazda couldn't make it out through the tilled part of the field, so now Chris picked us up. We're throwing our stuff in his trailer and gonna head out there with him. Well, Dustin just went back to grab another load of stubble. We got the blinds pretty good here. We're gonna finish that up and then we're gonna start setting the spread. We're running 40 to 45 dozen decoys. We're gonna mix some full bodies in with the dye bombs this time, mostly silhouettes. See how that works. There was 600 plus birds in this field last night. A bunch more moved in yesterday and the day before, so the feed has grown a big amount. So it should be a good morning. We want to set the spread with plenty of decoys, get their attention.
All right, we're just driving out to a field. I know there's a big pile of stubble sitting in it. This is probably like my 4th truckload, but we got a lot of blinds to cover up. We're not taking any chances with our hide. It's too bad John from Mindak's not here.
Do you miss John?
No. Ever since he left, we've been shooting birds. Hey, did you order 2 more square bales? That's gonna be $169.99. Sign here, 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 and here.
The guy that jumped that rooster was past shooting birds out of the ditch and messed our hunt up a little bit a couple weekends ago. He's back, and now there's more vehicles showing up, so we'll see what happens here. Hopefully they don't mess it up for us. All right, so we had a couple flocks come off the roost before shooting time here. Flew around us. It's shooting time now. We got a couple more flocks of geese up, it sounds like. We're gonna see what happens here. There ended up being 5 people over in that ditch that are past shooting. Hopefully it doesn't mess us up too bad. Oh, they're shooting right now. Oh!
Hey, those
Got him! Get him! Pretty much every flock is coming in and working us, so far so good. We finally got a minute to get out of the blind here. I don't know how many we have yet, probably close to 15 birds. We've probably seen 120, 150 birds that have gotten off the roost so far. Most of them got up all at one time when those guys shot at them. If there's a bunch more birds left on that roost, it should keep going that way. Hopefully we have a good hunt still.
Drop back. Right there. That one wasn't very wide.
Six back behind us.
8 pounds back right. Get him! There we go.
Well, we just had a few more flocks do it pretty good. They're landing a little bit behind us, so I guess we're gonna switch some decoys up, try to get them in front of us a little bit more. But other than that, they're coming in pretty good. Got him.
Got him. I'm gonna finish him off there. Got him.
We just got some more to come in. They're doing it perfect now. Got some good callers out here today. That's really helping. Oh, that's a bad decision. Got him. I know.
Oh, God.
Got him. Got him. Go! Let's see if this. Kill him! Well, I think we're at like 4 geese now.
Or 5.
Yeah, that's. Oh, 5. Yeah, I think we're at 5 geese now. If you add a 0 to that. So yeah, it's been a banger so far. We just got like 2 minutes. We're cleaning up some birds out of the decoys. Other than that, this is an insane hunt right now. If this keeps going, I think it's like 7:30 right now. We got more geese coming off the roost. Hopefully this keeps working like this. Got him. Kill him! We've probably shot 20 more, 15 to 20 more geese already since the last time we were able to get out of the blinds. It's just been non-stop action. Everything's doing it perfect. Got him! Got him.
Somebody shoot this thing! Woo! Black cloud be down!
Flight's kind of died down a little bit. Lots of singles and doubles just flying all over the place. So we're just pulling those in.
Black cloud be down! Woo!
I'm watching TikToks. I will sacrifice my own life for Pakistan.
There we go.
Got him. Go.
We had a couple singles come in and a double. Everything slowed down. There's a few high flocks that have been coming back, but they're going straight to the water. We're gonna call it. We're gonna start picking decoys up here, get a count on the birds, and then I'll get back to you. Well, we just got all the geese picked up. We got a count on them. We ended up with 68. It was an awesome day. Consistent. All morning there was birds coming into us, so we didn't have much time in between at all to even get out of the blinds, to move decoys, pick up birds, do anything. So you couldn't have asked for much more. We hunted with Chris from Top Flight Outfitters out of Illinois. Check him out on Facebook. I'm gonna be down there later this fall. He said like end of December, January, it gets really good. Hopefully get on a flooded timber hunt.
Yeah guys, we specialize in snows and specs. We've got 4 pits in the ground right now. We got 2 more going in. Heat, food, lodging. Come shoot some snow geese with us, man. We tear them up.
Thanks for checking out the video. Hope you guys liked it. Like, subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.